Panini Adrenalyn Qatar World Cup pack. There we go, right into it. Okay, we have Antoine Griezmann for France. And we have Nahuel Molina for Argentina. That rhymes. We have Harry Souttar for Australia. We have Karim Benzema for France. Nice. And onto the good cards. We have Nico Elvedi for Switzerland. Magician. Or Titan, sorry. Then we have fan favourite Angel Mena for Ecuador. And then we have, there's 4 in this one. We have fan favourite Gregorz Krychowiak for Poland. Yeah, they're okay then. And then we have, top master Kylian Mbappe. Lovely stuff. I will take Mbappe all day. Look at that. Get him in the sleeve.